Morning, all of you. The next topic from first unit is vowels. In English, we have five vowels, and these five vowels are produced 20 sounds. Okay, these 20 sounds are mainly classified into two. What is pure vowels, and then another is diphthongs. Okay, next one. Vowels are mainly five. These five parts will be again classified into 7 short vowels, 5 long vowels, and remaining 8 are diphthongs. This is vowel diagram, and types of vowel, and these vowels are produced into 3 types. First one is front vowels. Vowels can articulated from different organs from our body. Okay, front vowels means vowels that are produced through front of our mouth, that is called front vowels, and middle of the mouth is called central vowels, and back of the mouth produced vowels, that is called back vowels. Okay, so this is the diagram how the sounds are produced from our mouth. Okay, this is E. This is E. When we pronounce this sound E, the sound must come from our front of the mouth. Okay, so E. What is the articulation of our mouth? Lower lip, upper teeth, and the front of the tongue. So these are the major parts. Okay, E. This is E. This sound also produced from front of the mouth. E. Okay, this is long vowel E, and this is short vowel E. Okay, and next one is A. A also produced from front of mouth of our body. A. For example, A. And this is Yeah. So Yeah sound also produced from front of the mouth. So that's these 4 sounds are called front vowels. Okay. Next one. A. This is weak vowel among all vowel sounds. A. When we pronounce this A sound, it is must comes from middle of the mouth, that is central vowel. This is this is sound also comes from our middle of the mouth, and this is okay, up. That is the example for this sound, up. When we pronounce this sound, it also comes from our central of the mouth. This is long. It also comes from our sound. Okay. Last one is back vowels. So what are the back vowels? Ooh, long oo. Okay. Ooh. When we utter this sound, the air is must comes from our back of the mouth. That is why this long oo is called back vowels. Okay. Ooh, sure, pour, eat. So these are the examples for this sound. And next one is long. It is also called long vowel, and it is one of the part in back vowels. Okay, this is when we pronounce back vowels, our mouth shape is like a round. Okay, so boy, toy, like this. Okay, so these are called types of vowels. Example for front vowel: E. That means sit. Eat, sit. sound short vowel E, and this is E, long E. Eat, seat. We can write in phonetics transcription seat like this. Okay, this is short E. Sit. This is long E. Seat. E. Next one is A. Example for this sound wet, like that. This is yeah. When we pronounce this sound, our lower jaw should be separate from our upper jaw, like yeah. Okay. Yam, Sam. Okay. We can write this sound in phonetic transcription like this. Sam. And these four sounds are called friend vowels. Why? When we utter these four sounds, the air must be released from our front of the mouth. Okay. And coming to central vowels, we have four types of central vowels. The first one is weak vowel O. Example for this sound. For. Okay, and next one is learned. Okay, another example, girl, this is okay, learned, girl, like that. And next one, this is a short vowel, uncle. Okay, this sound became U letter. Okay, uncle. Next one is long vowel aunt, not aunt. Okay, aunt. So these are the sounds of central vowels. Why? Because when we produce these four sounds, the air is coming from our middle of the mouth. Okay, that is the main reason these sounds are called central vowels. And coming to back vowels, these sounds also produce air from our back of the mouth. Okay, we have four sounds. Back vowels. This is short vowel oo, not woo. Okay, this is oo, you, okay, na? Like that. This is long vowel u, two. Okay, now this is short vowel oo. This is long vowel oo. Okay, you, like that. So two, and this is honest, honesty. This is awesome. And last one is fought. Okay, so fought, you, two, honesty, fought. So these are the type examples for back vowels. So okay, we have 12 vowel sounds. Okay, and these sounds are also classified into short vowels. These three are short vowels from front vowels, and this is also short vowel. 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 So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So these vowels are classified into short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels are 7, and long vowels are 5. Okay, E,